My name's Rob. Welcome to MealMode Monday. Just an average guy, not a chef, cooking some dinner for the family. Some veggies, gotta stay healthy. So we got squash. It's been sitting for almost a week, so I think we gotta use it tonight. Got corn. It's a nice summer night. Want to just keep it faster on the grill. You can grill corn for sure, and I love it on there, but we're just doing it on the stovetop, make it easier. For the squash, you can cut the skin, or simpler, easier, you just peel at it, a lot of peeling. Cut the ends off it, give you an easier way to just get clean lines off it, then just peel the rest off. Cut it in half, smaller you cut it, faster to cook. I'm taking a guess if this is ready, so just cut a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Get the butter, salt, pepper, extra salt, extra pepper, extra butter. I'm cooking a bunch of different veggies, so they're gonna be done at all different times, so you can just keep things preheated or whatnot. We'll have the grill going. If we wanna reheat that corn at any point, if it's in about 20 minutes, then you can just put it right back on the grill for a few minutes and get a nice sear to it too if you want. This meal is a bunch of random, all basic foods, but it's gonna be delicious, and that's the deal. So we already screwed up and should have started the grill earlier and had the sausages going, but we got a bunch of hot water from that corn, so we're gonna see what happens. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Wow, another one. 2 for 3. We got the sausages on. I think probably because we boiled them, they won't be quite as fatty. But usually sausages, you gotta stick around the grill because they're fatty. They're gonna have a high flame and easily light on fire. But looking good so far. There it is, there it is. In case you're cold, just gotta be able to move it around. All right, come back in quickly. This broccoli absorbed a lot of the oil, so don't want the garlic to burn. Hit another coating of olive oil. Ooh, it's getting tender. I like to cook it thoroughly through. Let's go like another 5 minutes probably, but you can see, fork goes right through it, breaks up, falls apart, but I'm gonna go another couple minutes. Ooh. So these did explode in flames for quite a bit, but they're looking good. We didn't burn them by any means. It's been on for about 10 minutes. I think we'll throw the steak tips on. Why not? With the fork. I don't want to use the tongs. Make it less fun. Squash. You can make squash taste like candy. Kids will eat it. You got butter. Might even do a little bit more than that. Already a little more. Might as well finish it off almost. Then a little olive oil too. Some salt. Yep. A little maple syrup.